we can see the building shapes correctly, but you can see that the shapes are pretty much irregular. The building corner should be some sort of right angles, so we need to fix that as well. To regularize the building shape, we need to go to geoprocessing and under 3D analyst tool, and then expand 3D features and extraction. Here you will find the regularize building footprint. Click on that and select the building 2, and then if you want to save this shape, select a location, building regularized, okay. And for tolerance we will use 1 meter, and let's run this. Now if we close the building 2, turn off, then we can see that the building shapes has been regularized. Although it is not perfect, but the result is pretty decent. Thanks for watching.